A cordial great. My name is Luz Adriana Muñoz Muñoz. I am 25 years old. I am biomedical doctor. I am currently studying electronic engineering and in the present activity of the subject, I am asked the question if he could have the dream job, what will it be for me to be neurologic? This is because I ask many things. They are people who saying life and my opinions in this case apart for begin read is that I have a brother but is autist and I waiting to her and many other people in a certain by this is also for helping people then in their addition to saying that they are very intelligent people well dedicate they say to this is that they are always informing of everything, but the most important job that I have had is being a biomedical in a clinic. This is a church. It reveals the equipment used by doctors of the and specialist because I am biomedical doctor, it is because it indirectly save life. It is a support for doctor to have equipment that the works and can be used or patented at Alton. The professional is a welcomed or not as prized as a doctor and especially this also generates a contribution to it life. It is what things that no it's important it is a contributed is somewhat we have no neurology is a because of the economic factor. The grade is expression. eh, I hope I have answered the question crediting. That's for you attention.